So the shapes that you see in Tinkercad comes with its own default colors. Let's say, for example, this box, it comes as red. You see the cylinder, it comes as orange. Spear, it comes as blue. But if you want to change the color, then it's easy to do so. All you need to do is select the shape, and then you have the properties panel of the shape right here. Go on to where it says solid, click on it, and then you can choose the color that you want to apply from here. You can also click over here and then choose a custom color if you want to. So let's say, for example, if you were to go to custom, here you can see that there's different colors that you can choose from, and you can also enter hexadecimal value. You can also enable transparency onto these shapes right here so that you can see through the colors, as you can see right here. So you want a bit of a transparent effect, you can go around over here and then enable and disable the transparency option as well. You can go on to the show color values and then change the red, the green and blue values as well to change around and eyeball the color according to what you want. And that is how you can change shape color inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.